Hi, this is Amy from Magento. Today, I will show you how to set up products in warehouse as well as create the permission for different roles in warehouse.
In this video, I will guide you to set up products in warehouse either by importing non-warehouse products or transferring from external. Then, I'll show you how to create permissions for different roles in warehouse. First, let's start with set up products in warehouse. The first way, import non-warehouse products. When a product is newly created and has not been assigned to warehouse depth, it will automatically be allocated in this non-warehouse list. From here, you can select a product and add it into the warehouse. This prevents you from accidentally including disqualified products into the warehouse and wasting time searching for it later. Select the product. In Actions menu, choose Add to Warehouse from the drop-down list. Another way, you click Stock Listing, Warehouse. View to see the specific warehouse. Click Stock on Hand, Non-Warehouse Product. Check box to choose the products and click Add Selected Products. Now you got all the product in the warehouse. B. Transfer from external. If you want to add the product which is also assigned to other warehouse, click Transfer from external. This feature allows you to accept the stock from outside of the system, not only from another warehouse but can be from any other source. Fill the transfer code. Fill the external location. Choose Warehouse. Fill Notifier emails. Fill in the reason box. Click on Prepare Product List. Then, you can add or import products to transfer stock by clicking on Scan Barcode. Import or select product. If you choose to select products from the inventory, 1. Select the products to be added. 2. Fill the quantity. 3. Click on Transfer to finish. Next, let's move on to create permissions for different roles in warehouse. Firstly, you need to set up the different roles for people working in warehouse. Click System, Permissions, Use Role, and Add New Role. In Role Info, fill role name and the password. In Role Resource, choose All or Custom to check boxes for the permission you want to assign to this role. Click Save Role to save all the information. Secondly, you will assign these roles to the different staff. Click System, Permission, All Users, Add New User, and fill all these required fields. Click User Role to assign user role to this staff. Click Warehouse to assign warehouse to this staff. Check box to choose the warehouse and select the role drop-down in each warehouse. Don't forget to save user to save information. Another way you can assign the staff in each warehouse. Click View Warehouse, Warehouse Permission, Assign Staff. Choose the staff you want to assign. Click Add Selected Staff. Adjust warehouse roles and click Save Staff Permission. So, that's how you can set up products and different permissions in warehouse. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us via email support@magestore.com. Thanks for watching.